You guys trying to party? If you ain't at Cabo on the yacht, you ain't partying. Stay tuned. We're in Cabo and we're at the Arch. Cabo San Lucas. We're about to go to the Arch and see it up close. I got my man Morgan Freeman back here. What's up, Morgan? Hey, just wait. I got the beautiful wife here. And there was a beach back there. I don't know if you can see it, but we are in Baja with overcast, so you can't see how clear the water is. But, I mean, it's fairly clear, fairly. Yeah.
This is the best place for a snorkel and scuba diving.
Oh, okay.
Yes, with the snorkel treatment you can see a lot of tropical fish right here.
Oh, really? Oh, there's a fish right there.
Diving equipment you can see the same colors.
Oh, okay.
So, essentially, to give you some background, we were able to get this boat ride for about $35 a person. And it's for about 40 minutes, but as you can see in the video, my man Morgan Freeman was very willing to pretty much take us wherever. If we wanted to get in the water and snorkel, we could have. We just kind of didn't feel like it for that day. We just kind of wanted to see the Arch today. And this beach that you see over here on the right isn't really an official beach, but it's a place where you can stop and do some swimming and snorkeling.
Oh, they're going. We in the water, kind of, sort of. So we got people jumping off the rocks over here. Right over here. They're climbing this rock and they're jumping.
Right on.
What's up, selfie stick? Celebrities. Sometimes I ride with celebrities every now and then. Every now and then I get a chance to ride a boat with a celebrity. I don't know who she is, but I get a ride with her sometimes and I feel like I'm with the celebrity. You're crazy! Yes, that way. That way. It's one. Oh boy, that's two. Tell this girl to hurry the heck up. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The San Andrews Gate. St. Andrews Gate. 2 people go in, 3 people come out.
Honey, you want to go in there? I've been trying to get rid of you.
This is the first beach.
Okay.
This is only one beach in the world with the two seas. Right here is Asio Cortez, the other side is like 120, 130 feet.
Okay.
Here is Pacific Ocean.
Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow, I can see all the way through that thing. Anybody, you ever go through there once? Have you ever gone through there? No?
Not right now. I was been there, but like 20 years ago.
You swam through there?
No swimming.
No swimming?
Walk.
Oh, you walked through there?
Yes.
Oh, but the ocean came up. Wow.
Ocean go down.
Wow. Yeah.
Make a beach right here.
Oh, wow.
But this it's a natural phenomenon.
Yeah.
Pass between 4 years and between 6 years.
Interesting.
Yes. All this place make a beach.
Make it a beach, yep.
You can walk behind the arch or through to the window.
Through the window. I like it.
There's the arch.
There is
The famous arch Cabo San Lucas
Arch. The Arch. So, Land's End right there, guys. Land's End. This is where it ends. Right there at that rock.
Good job, baby. You did that.
So I just launched this drone. Some pretty cool footage. Hopefully we got some decent shots. I was so nervous trying to get that thing to land. Holy cow. It's going sideways, all which ways. It's like 20 miles per hour, winds. So it was kind of difficult to land. And you got a boat moving. Your wife's over here trying to take pictures with this stupid tripod thingy.
Doesn't work.
And I can't do all that. All that needs to stop. So, but we definitely made it. There's the arc. And that is Cabo. Our captain was amazing. Morgan Freeman. That dude.
Mexican Morgan Freeman.
The Mexican Morgan Freeman, man. That dude rocks. Hey, thanks again. Cool. So, that concludes the arc. More videos to come. We got a big day tomorrow. Stay tuned to the channel. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe.